This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Jim Stanley. Nothing nicer than new. This beautiful brand new home is exactly what you are looking for. Quality construction, contemporary style and a peaceful location on a big lot in a nice rural neighborhood. A split floor plan is perfect for the family, and the master bedroom offers a big master bath, walk-in closet plus a second closet. The granite countertops, custom-made cabinets and center island with oven really make this kitchen stand out above the rest. The large 2-car attached garage has plenty of room, and you have 2 covered porches for enjoying morning coffee and evening barbecues. Just picture comfortable country living in this perfect home. Don't wait, come see it for yourself. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Stanley.